An aging wood porch may have decay in the porch boards themselves, in the framing that supports it, or both. Bouncy or springy floors are often the result of inadequate or damaged joist in the middle of a span. If there are signs of damage in the porch boards, start by removing them. Now, this is a simple process of prying them up with a crowbar, unless the rails and columns rest on top of the deck boards. To lift a support column, you'll need to use a hydraulic jack and another post to temporarily lift the weight of the roof above. This will relieve the column and allow you to remove the boards that are beneath it. Here, the ledger board that supported one of the joists has rotted and detached from the band joist on the outer edge of the porch. We're replacing the damaged section of ledger with a new pressure-treated piece of lumber. Because there is some rot in the loose joist too, we're adding another 2x8 alongside it to help support it, which is what we call sistering the joist. The two boards are nailed together numerous times over their length, and the new one is attached securely to the band joist to replace all the lost strength. Now it's ready for the new porch boards. This material is pressure-treated tongue and groove 1x4 that is kiln dried after treatment. That means we can prime it right away rather than having to wait 30 days or so. We're priming all sides before we install it so it won't absorb any moisture and swell or cause the paint to blister. The trick to installing a tongue and groove porch floor is getting the boards pressed very tightly together before nailing them down. A scrap of the tongue and groove material makes a handy tap block so that you don't damage the edges of the boards. A pneumatic nailer makes driving galvanized finish nails through the groove side of each board a lot easier. Once the porch boards are all nailed down, it's a good idea to add some trim around the edges before finish painting. For the longest wear, be sure to apply 2 good coats of porch and deck enamel to protect the surface from future damage.